friends, how are you today? I'm very nice today, and I'm gonna show you the new lesson, just simple lesson that exactly you have known already about this. However, I just want to share what I understand about this, and I just want to let everyone learn and know what is sentence, okay, and what are types of sentence. Okay, let you move to type of sentence today. So what is type of sentence? Type of sentence, there are four. You see, there are four types of sentence, like simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and mixed sentence. Yes. So I'm sorry for this video. I don't want to talk a lot of detail about it. Just let you see, oh, what is simple sentence, what is compound sentence, what is complex sentence, or what is mixed sentence. Just give you the meaning and give example. So if you want to know more, if you want to learn more, I will split this lesson to be one by one. So everyone, what is simple sentence? Simple sentence, it is a type of sentence consisting of only one clause with single subject and predicate. Okay, simple sentence we can call man clause. Okay, one more we can call independent clause. So simple sentence can be independent clause, can be man clause. And simple sentence is a type of sentence that has only one clause with single subject and predicate. I give you an example. He is my friend. Okay, you see, he's my friend. Single subject he and predicate. You get it? Subject and predicate. Single subject and predicate. Predicate start from verb going on. Verb, object, or complement, or something else. After verb we call, start from verb, we call predicate. Just simple way. Sometimes we call subject, verb, object, subject, verb, complement, like this, like that. But a simple way to call subject and predicate. So predicate we start from verb going on. So what is compound sentence? What is compound sentence? Compound sentence, it is type of sentence that has at least two clauses, but those two clauses are man clause. Okay, man clause, two man clause or two independent clause. I put compound sentence two. We refer to man clause. Okay, so compound sentence we refer to man clause. Two man clause, or we can call it another way, two independent clause. Two independent clause. Like this. Okay? So compound sentence we refer to two man clause or two independent clause. He is my friend. Okay? And he is very kind. He is very kind. So like this, we call compound sentence. You see, two man clause combined together. Man clause and man clause. Combined by what? Combined by coordinating conjunction. So what is coordinating conjunction? Okay, this one, coordinating conjunction. So let you know with the next video about this. Next one, complete sentence. So complete sentence, it is type of sentence that has two clauses the same, but two clauses are combined by dependent clause and independent clause. I put here two clauses, but I don't put two man clause, just put two clauses. So two clauses can combine with dependent clause with independent clause. But between dependent clause and independent clause, two clauses are combined by subordinating conjunction. Okay, put here, give you example. He is my friend. He is my friend who study with me. That is. So that we call complex sentence. You see, two class, one class, and another class. Yes, one class, another class. So two class combined together by subordinating conjunction. Okay, number 4, mixed sentence. Mixed sentence you can call compound complex sentence, but I think that compound complex sentence is longer than this one. So I give you mixed sentence. So mixed sentence is shorter than you say compound complex sentence. So compound complex sentence or mixed sentence, they are the same, not different. So what does it mean? Compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence or mixed sentence, it means type of sentence that has at least 2 independent clauses with 1 dependent clause. Okay? Example. He's my, just the same one. Friends. He's my friend who studies with me, and he is very kind. Get the idea? So like this we call mixed sentence. One sentence, he is my friend, one who studied with me, another one, and he is very kind, another one. So 3 sentences combined together to be mixed sentence we call. He is my friend, simple sentence. He is my friend who studied with me, complex sentence. But when I say he is my friend who studied with me and he is very kind, we call mixed sentence. Okay, from number 1 to number 4, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and mixed sentence. So you see the meaning. So simple sentence, just a simple sentence that has only one subject and predicate. We call simple sentence. Compound sentence, 2 independent clauses are combined together. Complex sentence, 2 clauses but independent clause with dependent clause. We can call simple clause with subclause, or subordinate clause, or main clause with subordinate clause. And compound complex sentence or mixed sentence we refer to can be 2 independent clause with 1 dependent clause are combined together, and then it will be mixed sentence. Okay, so this is a short idea that I want to show you. You can look what is simple sentence, look at example, compound example, complete example, and the last one example. Look this example carefully, you get understanding. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I also hope you will watch on my video from one by one if you want to get understanding more and more. Okay, thank you for your spending time to watch this video. Thank you.